I've been seeing this Manipuri snack called singju all over my Instagram feed, and I've been wanting to make it for the longest time. And I also have a packet of YY from last year, so I guess it's time to make it now. It turned out so good. Definitely try this one out. first time I have shopped from Tira. So let's unbox. First up is this BOJ sunscreen, the aqua variant. It is very lightweight, so that's why I love it during summers. Then I have this Formula RX moisturizer. It's the Hydra Veil hydrating gel moisturizer for skin that rejects moisturizers. 100% oil free, so that's why I ordered for myself, because I have an oily skin and I don't want anything more oily on my face, so that's why oil-free moisturizer. And next I got this face card by Fade Beauty. It's their super serum skin tint, and I got a new shade. So last time I bought the trial pack and I could not find my perfect match, so that's why I bought a full size, but that's a total blind buy because I don't know if it's going to match my shade or not, so we will find that also. And I got a freebie with this face card. It's from Faye and it's their mini peptide gloss gloss. Wow, it smells really nice. Oh my god, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Wow. This size it says gloss and here it says gloss. I want to poke a hole and put a charm on it. It would be so cute. Wow. It's a really good freebie and smells also really nice. Should I try it? Okay, so here goes nothing. Oh my god, it got on my hair. Do we like it? It's perfect for daily wear. See ya. And next we have the huge purchase of this whole thing. I wanted to buy it for the longest time and it was on a really great deal this time, so I purchased from Tira, and that is why it's my first purchase from Tira. Wow, it looks so pretty. And that's it. I have ordered few things from Nika also, which is on its way, so I will do a haul about it on my next video. The serum is so pretty, like these pearls. This is the prettiest skincare product that I have ever owned. Face card, the tiny gloss, the BOJ sunscreen, and the Formula RX moisturizer. This is the moisturizer. Look what I found. I don't remember where I keep my things, so I found it after like 6 or 7 months. It's the best collab ever, and so cute. I mean, so beautiful. I didn't get the collab, but I got the deal. I wanted to put them in my phone case, but I don't think they are going to fit, and I have to cut some. Also, this MagSafe is coming in the way, so I think I will have to cut it short and get a new phone case also to be able to fit it inside. I'm also editing this week's video, so